I was made aware of RCA BLK at the open days and the fairs that they were doing.
Maybe 6 months into the year, I saw a post on the group chat.
I saw it in the window and I just like stumbled in.
When I saw that there was an event happening today, I was like, I need to meet this community. Everyone seems to be very friendly and, you know, it's like alumni mixed with current students.
RCA BLK is a community that's growing. So you kind of feel like you're part of like this foundation that in a few years, it's going to be so wide.
RCA BLK started off between a conversation with myself and another graduate at that time, Roxanne Simone. We started talking to other recent grads, current students and alumni and just teasing out, what did you want here? From that conversation, the foundations of what RCA BLK came about, which is why we have this event, Sankofa. It really is about, you know, celebrating those who came to the RCA.
You can see it. You can see it from people downstairs. Like, everyone's got the sauce, man. Everyone's doing their own thing, doing it like with the right approach. And it's obvious that in like only a number of years, people will look at this as a golden generation.
Honestly, RCA BLK are just super supportive. They've helped with my own personal development in terms of my art and also provided like different opportunities for like networking and just meeting like-minded people who come from perhaps like a similar cultural background.
You know, because it's a difficult life, the life of an artist, man. I don't think people realize how being a part of community gives you confidence.
To have works like by Ofili, to have like people like, you know, Frank Bowling, who came here how many years ago.
A lot of people that I've already followed on social media or people that were kind of art heroes of mine were actually RCA alumni. So I was super excited to come and sort of not only meet some of these people, just meet the community in which they're based.
Events like this, just bigger and better, exhibitions, and then there's residency opportunity as well coming up. So I think they're on the right track, you know. I think it's amazing what they're doing so far.
The branding, how serious the approach has been. You can see with the merchandise, you can see that there's a clear identity. And there's a reason that the identity was so distinctive, right? Like, it's bold colors, it leaves an impression on you. And people won't forget that.
The brand that you see now is a reflection of like collaboration, love, lots of love and lots of like conversations, which I think that's exactly what RCA BLK is about, but just as a community here studying at the RCA. I think it really cements this idea of building legacy and contributing.
It's really difficult not to conform to the traditional expectations of what an artist should be. Our generation is going to be different. It's going to be led by an inner light. It's going to be led by an inner drive, supported by the fact that everyone else around also has that same approach.
I hope that people find a place to feel like they belong in a wider community, because I mean the community of RCA is mega anyway. But yeah, I just hope to see that Black creatives and all creatives, you know, can have these conversations.